Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to promote affiliate products online 2025, a complete walkthrough. So guys, you want to make money online promoting products you don't own. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to promote affiliate products, using any of the affiliate programs that are available to you or your region. I would be also listing examples of affiliate programs and products you could actually potentially list. And let's get started. So, your first step would be to just go ahead and open up your browser. In this tutorial, I'll be making use of the Amazon Associates program, as this is a really nice program and it's really welcoming to anyone outside of the US. You could be in the UK and run this, you could be in any um, region of the world, and you could get access to an affiliate program. All right, so we have the Amazon Associates. It's one of the programs you can use. We have ClickBank. It doesn't require any approval for most of their offers. They sell digital products. They also offer commissions that are as high as 50% on your sales. It's a beginner friendly marketplace with categories like health, finance, and online tools. In order to get started with ClickBank, all you need to do is just simply search for the affiliate program, create a free account, pick a product, and then copy your affiliate link. Now, another affiliate program you could simply sign up for is the Impact Affiliate. So basically, with Impact, it's a central marketplace with big brands like Canva, Adidas, and Spotify, or Shopify as well. Many programs auto approve their beginners, so Impact is one of them. And the commission varies from 5% to 50%. So, this is something you could get interested in. So, basically, just head over to impact.com/, the affiliate partner marketplace. You could simply get started with the Impact affiliate marketplace. Now, another affiliate program you could sign up for is Fiverr. They basically have or offer a Fiverr affiliate, promote the world's largest marketplace for digital freelance services, and collect competitive commission rates. So basically, with Fiverr, you could promote services, logo designs, website marketing. You could also sign up as a beginner. It's really user friendly and beginner friendly, and the commission is up to $150 per new customer using your link, I believe, but that is not yet certain. So you just make sure you do your own research, and you should get something out of it. Now, heading back to the main affiliate program I'm interested in, which is the Amazon affiliate program. As I said, this is largely inclusive to any region you exist in, whether you're in Africa, Europe, or South America. You could have access to the Amazon Associates. So all you need to do is just go ahead and click on Amazon Associates. Once you've clicked on it, signing up is quite easy, as I said earlier. So just go ahead and sign up, get your affiliate link, and you can share your content. They have a huge product variety. You can promote anything that's actually being sold on Amazon. And you could also make use of the Amazon affiliate links on your websites, your YouTube videos, your TikTok, your Instagram. Anywhere you could share a link, you could simply share your affiliate program link, basically. And also, their commission is actually a bit low compared to other platforms, with 1 to 10% depending on the product category. So for higher categories, you're going to be earning higher. For lower categories, you're going to be earning lower. So this is what the Amazon Associates platform looks like. We have the dashboard for the people who have signed up. So you're going to need to submit some tax info, but besides that, you'll be given an account, an earnings overview for your last 30 days, your summary for the month, how many items have been shipped using your link, how much you've earned, total ordered items, clicks, conversions, and also if you need weekly product inspiration, you could kind of like check what's viral. And they also have the Creator University. So with the Creator University, you could actually learn from the Amazon Associates website. You could simply learn how to make money off of their website. That's what they're offering here. And if you're looking for your link, once you've signed up, all you need to do is the hamburger icon at the top right, click on tools and select SiteStripe. So once you're on SiteStripe, it's going to show you the quickest way and easiest way to get your link to any Amazon page. is to simply search up a product and get your link from there. So that's basically what I did on this website here, and you can just simply get your link. So using Amazon, I just simply opened up and linked my affiliate account to it, and you can simply get your link from here and then simply edit the link. So there's an option to simply edit parts of the link. So when you share it, it simply leads them to whatever they're trying to search on Amazon. So basically, that's how it works. You just need to sign up for the affiliate program. You could also, um, include your store ID, your tracking ID to your link. You could get the short link, you could get the full link. There's so much you could do. So I do have to mention, if you're looking to sell your products, some of the best places, if you're looking to sell or share your Amazon Associates link, like you're looking to share it, the best places you could find or you could share it to our social media platforms, from Twitter to YouTube to Instagram to Facebook. You could try all of these websites, even on Craigslist. As far as you have access to the product, or as far as the product is listed with Amazon, you're going to be earning a commission from it. So, guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Make sure to leave a comment if you understand, and also leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.